Um, I'm not really sure if I'm actually talking right now, but if I am, okay. But if I'm not, you get to just see a video with no sound. Um, so also if I'm not talking, I'm just kind of going to type in chat. Oh, where is my mouse? Oh, well, I guess I can't. Um, my avatar is messed up because I have been a victim of being hacked by another YouTuber whose name will probably be in the description. Like, check it out, cause um, I don't know, just do it, cause we're friends. Yeah, cool. Um, Yeah, so I was gonna do something right now, but I'm not sure if I can because, my mouse is, not working. So I'm kind of just gonna go. Oh my god, the girl got a halo. I'm gonna join real high and see if my mouse starts to work. Guess not. What is this? Okay, loading. I'm sorry, I have to see this. I don't do editing. Oh, cool. People are doing RP. I don't like RP that much. I mean, it depends on how interesting it is. I don't know why I'm speaking like this. Oh, we got a principal. Boy, you ain't no principal. Get out of here. Whatever. Yeah, so don't ask about my avatar cuz I've been lay hacked. Oh my god. I've been wanting to drop a book for my whole life now and yet Jesus still wouldn't let me. Oh my god. Yo, I spent all my diamonds yesterday on the mini skirt and I got them back. I love Royal High glitches. I better still have the mini skirt though. If I don't have it, I'm not buying it again. Oh my Satan. Okay, so let me just since my mouse isn't working at this moment, I'll be back with another video later when my mouse is working. Not mouse, what? I'm not even on a computer, bruh. I'm so dumb. Okay, so I'm sorry my laugh is annoying. Hey, let me break into your dorm. What's good? Yeet. I'm in. And yeah. Cool. So, dorm tour of a room that's not even mine. This person, boy, you ain't got no bag, are you? I was going to do a dress up thingy today. Cool outfits from Royal High. Like, cheap outfits from Royal High. Like, oh my god. Cute outfits from Royal High that are extremely cheap. Cheap. What? We ain't racist around here, Queen. What? Jelly, huh? Okay, so I'm not really sure why I'm posting up because my mouse doesn't work. So let's just talk about people. Yo, this girl's cute. Sorry, I was gonna say ugly. Okay, so hi Zoe. Your name should be Bowie, cause Honey looking like a little boy. Get out of here. Everyone. What you want, young bull? What do you want? What's good? You are faker than a chicken tater, boy. Meeting in a lecture hall. Boy, you can go eat my butt. Oh my god. I'm gonna post this video and just call it technical difficulties. um, yep. Command? No. Command. Control Alt Delete. Control Alt. No, that's all right. Control Alt Delete. Bye. 'Cause I'm a genius, JK. I'm actually the stupidest person alive. Okay, so as you saw, we had some technical difficulties, and I'm gonna see if I can play another game that's not Royal High. I don't know why I just started singing. I'm weird. So, what's gonna do when they come for you? I don't know. I don't know what to do. Let me look into my favorite games. Whoa, cool. What? I have so many favorite games. Okay, honestly, Roblox skating rink. Let me just like do that. Cause like if I can't skate in real life, might as well do it virtually. Same thing with exercising. I'm pretty sure. Never mind. Ew. Hold on. Yo, sis. Who snatched your weave, sister? Why do I have these oh my god, sister running. Holy crap. Homie god. I said a homie god. What am I? Oh my Jesus. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. This is so funny. Oh my god. Help. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, they're playing music? No. Yo, why am I getting lit to this? I need to go home. When you fall on your face, but you won't admit it. What the hell? Wait, what is this? Yes! Oh my god! Me being a YouTuber was good! oh my god. This volume be annoying. Hey, arcade. Oh, hey, let's go to the restrooms and take a pic. Honestly, gender equality. Oh my god, why is there girls in here? It won't let me. Okay. Ooh, let's get lit. Yes. Where's the food? Ew. Who who pooping right in on the stalls? I want to write on the stall. Bruh, let me out. This game isn't that bad. No, we're turning whatever this is down. Yeet. Yes. I'll put my name there right where y'all can see it. Ooh. Hey, hit me up. JK, I'm not like that. Sorry. Bruh, it says clothing and. Ooh. Nope. Hit me up. Yo, sis. Get a weave, bruh. Where is your weave, sis? Where's your weave, sis? I spelled weave wrong. Sorry for get away from me, raccoon looking. Oh my god. What am I jamming out to right now? Oh my god, I hate this game. Okay, thanks for the tag, sweetie. Oh my god, it's Liza. I'm sorry. Oh my god. I've been bullied. Okay. What? Where? Why is everyone here bald? Ugh. A lot of good girls like bad guys. I wish I could edit so I could take that out because that was so cringy. Oh my god. 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 I don't edit because I make a lot of Okay, let's hit that. Oh my god, Erica Costello wish she was me. No. Erica Costello is a little crap doodlehead. Oh my god, no. Alex joined. Oh my god. So skating is cool, yeah. This game is cool, it's good. I don't even know if I want to post this. And, yeah. I'm making a vid, Alex. Hey, okay. My friend Alex is here. I don't know where she went. Oh, she's right here. She's right here. She's right here. This is my friend Alex. Festive. Yo, she looking festive AF, bruh. Okay. Good. Okay, so like, let me just like actually break myself, cause I'm not trying to live like this. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Fave holiday. Same. Okay, so like, if I actually had subscribers that wasn't myself on my other accounts, I would like legit be like in the comments section below, tell me what your favorite holiday is, and
You want some pastelillo
no,
with cheese?
I'm not hungry right now. Okay, so like, I'm sorry about the talking. Why is there numbers here? We about to fight? Cause like I'm all for it, honestly. I'm all for it. Yes. Yes. Okay, so I'm not one of those YouTubers who like be like, if you don't subscribe to me, I'm gonna chop your booty off. I'm not all like that, sorry. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. I mean, honestly, I recommend you do because this is like my first gaming thingy. And yeah. Everybody say hi to YouTube. Was good. Um Shout out to this dude. Um, Dead. I don't know what that says, but you see the dude in chat. Hold on, I'll move it over. Nope, can't move it over. Oh my god, can I dance? I want to get lit. No. Oh, okay. Yes, queen. Sparkles. Fire. Everything. I am the queen, sister. I knew. I'm talking. I mean, heyo. Okay, so shout out to this dude. Shout out to all on the server. It was good.